Eva, Fiona, and me are at SOFA, the Blacksmith convention. We're going to meet Sarah and Broadus and Angus up here somewhere, and that's what we're doing on our Saturday afternoon.
I'm running this one out. I'm looking for the job.
That allows you to make a ladle very nicely. Ball peen hammer, tap, 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 and work it. That ladle that's on our...
So I ran into Broadus and Angus here at the Southern Ohio Forge and Anvil Quadstate in Troy, Ohio, and they are trying not to buy stuff, coming up with ideals, trying to sell stuff to buy stuff.
I'm afraid it's a bit late to buy stuff, but...
Well, we're going to go over here and look at this antique trip hammer and see if we can't talk into the guy loading our truck. So this is a gigantic trip hammer, vintage. It's a Bradley, made Syracuse, New York. And like Broadus pointed out, the rubber's still good. Here's the treadle. We could actually replace that piece of wood. How much is it, Angus?
This is $2,500. That one's
We would just have to, like,
$4,500.
we'd have to get like a belt and hook it to the tractor to make it run it. And this is $4,500. Do some good work with that.
This is a replica of the world's largest Fisher anvil. It's currently in a museum in New Jersey. Hey, I'm about to see Damascus. Cool. Did I ever show you the knife I made? No.
Gigantic swap meet with blacksmith stuff. Metal, steel, antique tools, tools that people made, modern stuff that looks antique. Pretty cool. It's the largest one in the country, Quadstate, every year. Yeah, pretty much find anything here. Here, it'd be nice to have this press. Hand crank press. So me and Angus are looking around at all the stuff for sale. And me and Eva are at the SOFA. So what do you think of Quadstate, Eva?